Hi, in this lesson, we will see about how to bulk edit the campaigns, keywords, or ad groups in the Google Ads editor. So, in the previous lesson, we have seen how to bulk upload, okay, from Excel or Google Sheets to the editor. Now, in this session, let's see how to edit them, how to edit the existing campaigns or how to edit the existing data. Okay, so I'm clicking on the Google Ads editor. So just open the Google Ads editor. So first thing we have to do is go to get recent changes and more data. Okay, right. So the data is downloaded. So just wanted to let's see. Okay, let's see how to bulk edit these things. Okay, so here I'm going into campaigns. So if you have observed in the previous class, these two campaigns are enabled, right? But I have changed them into a paused state in the engine. So let's enable them at a time. Okay, so shift and you click it. Okay, similar to Excel. Okay, similar to shortcuts that you use in Excel or in the Google Sheets, whatever. And click on right click and activate. You see, we have enabled these two campaigns at a time, right? And so next, if you want to campaign, if you want to create a similar campaign, okay, if you want to create a campaign with the same settings, okay, with the same settings, how will you do it? Let's say I want to create this campaign with the same settings. I don't want to change any of the settings here. I just wanted to change the keywords that I will be doing in the keyword section, but I don't want to change any of the settings. How will you do? So if it is in engine, it is little difficult. Of course, we can do it in engine, but through editor, how will you do it? So just simply click on it and right click, copy, and control V. That's it. Your campaign is created. Okay, only thing is here the campaign names are similar, so it is showing an error. Just make sure that these are different. Okay, like this. That's it. So this is how you create the campaigns. You can create the copy paste. Okay, simply copy paste. Okay, similarly you can also do it for the keywords. Here in the keywords, if you have observed, for the same keywords, these are in the exact match and the phrase match, but I want them in the broad match. Okay, this is the broad match campaign, right? So how will I change it? So you simply select these four keywords, go to here, you see here this one on the edit panel, these four are exact. It is showing that the keyword varies, so keywords are different but the match type is same. So click on it and click on broad, select broad. That's it. We have changed all the keyword match types to broad. So I hope you are getting right. So similarly, you can also change the status of these keywords. Simply click on right click and you can pause, or through edit panel also you can do it. Okay, and if you want to remove any of the keywords, how will you do it? It is simple, right? So you click on this one, okay, and right click and remove. That's it. So this is how you can do it. So I don't want to remove any of these keywords, so I am just reverting them, Control Z. Okay, and so there are few other options, where you can do bulk changes, right? So here in this keywords, let's say I don't want go ads to be present, right? How will I do it at a time, right? So I'm selecting these four ads, I mean these four keywords, and I am right clicking, and you see here replace text. Click on replace text. Here you have multiple different options. Based on your requirement, you choose those combinations. So here I'm selecting replace text and go I want to change only the keywords, right? And what is it I want to change? I want to change the ads. I don't want ads to appear, and replace, right? You see ads has gone, right? But I want to, so I hope you are getting. So in the previous class I have told you, right, you can only learn Google Ads editor through exploring. Try and explore. That's it. Experiment. Okay, I can only give you the basics, and everything depends on you only, right? And few of the things. So I wanted to add a new text to these uh, keywords. How can I do it? So simple. click on right click and append text. Append means so adding the text where you want to add. Here you can see whether we want to add before or you want to add after the text. So based on your requirement, you can choose it, right? And you can change the bits here if you want. So you see, max CPC bid can simply give around 1 rupee like this, right? So in this edit panel as well, through edit panel as well, you can make the bulk changes. Okay, and when you go to RSS, you see in the responsive search ads. So let's say for all the ad copies, the first ad should be, I mean, for the first headline should be the same. How can I do it? It is very simple. So select all the ads in which you want to make the changes. Okay, and just click on the first headline, and you see just simple paid media varsity like this. Based on your requirement, you can make the changes, and you can also do the pinnings. You see, you have this position. I have told you right when we are creating the responsive search ads, we can pin the headlines. So this is what this headline one position, headline two position. These are the pinnings. Okay. Suppose I have selected this one, and this is the pinning. Pinning one, pinning two, pinning three. Right? You are getting me. And you can also make these. You can also bulk edit or bulk add path one, path two. Okay. You can also change the status of these ads. All these things you can do it here. Or if you want to make any changes in bulk, you can simply select those respective campaigns and just click on your requirement. Okay, if you want to pause them, pause. You can. If you want to remove them, you can remove. If you want to replace any of the text, obviously you can do it. All these changes. Okay, and so for the campaigns, next we go for the ad groups. So we have seen for the keywords and RSS, right? And for the ad groups, what will be the bulk changes? Mostly the settings only, right? For the ad groups and keyword level, mostly the settings only will be the our requirement. So here, if I want to suppose for these all these ad groups, I wanted to add text at the beginning. Okay, so I'm just append text. So ad group name, and before the existing text, I want like my name, like SIVA, right? And hyphen append, right? This is how you can do the bulk changes. Or if you wanted to change any of the bits for these two campaigns, let's say you wanted to change bits for these two campaigns, so you simply go select those two campaigns. Okay, select those two campaigns, and you see here max CPC. Let's look for max CPC, max CPM. What is it? Okay, right. You can change. You can. I wanted to give it as 1 rupee, so you can change like this. Okay, or as these are the search campaigns, I wanted to give the max CPC, right? This is the max CPC. So I wanted to give this max CPC as 10 rupees. Like this, you can change. Okay. And for the campaigns as well, if you wanted to change the campaigns status, you can do the changes. Or if you wanted to make any bulk changes to the campaigns that you wanted to similar settings, you can do it. Okay. And in the search campaign type, and if you wanted to change any budgets here, so if for this particular campaign I wanted this budget as around let's say where is this budget, yeah, here, this for this I wanted to give it as 1000 rupees, so simply you can do it. Or if you wanted to add 1000 rupees for the 2000 rupees for these two campaigns particularly, you can select those two campaigns and simply click on 2000. That's it. Okay, so this is how you can make the bulk changes, I mean bulk edits, okay, for the existing campaigns that you have done in the editor. Okay, these are the few settings you should be aware of. And again, I am reiterating that Google Ads Editor is a tool where you can learn only through experiments. Okay, I just wanted to tell you that. So this is how I learned this Google Ads Editor. Okay, so no one in the industry will tell you how, or no one in the industry will teach you how to do things in Google Ads. You have to learn on your own. Here, I can only give you the basics. Okay, I can only give you the foundation. So you have to build your own skill on this foundation. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to bulk edit these things. We will meet in the next lesson.